How to add Xbox app games to Steam. Now, this method is very easy and straightforward. Just simply follow along. Now, for this to work, all you have to do is to download an additional software for you to be able to have a bridge to simply add Xbox app games directly into your Steam. So open up your preferred web browser and then just simply look for UWP hook. So the trusted sources we will be downloading to is directly from GitHub, that is specifically for Brian Lima. Click that first link, it will redirect you to GitHub. Now there's couples of links right here for you to be able to um, go straight into the download link. But once you're here, just simply scroll down and then go into the download the latest version of UWP hook. Once you fully download it, just simply install it, just like a regular software client. And once you've successfully installed it on your PC, simply just run it over. So this is the application or the client that you're looking at right now. So all the games that you have from Xbox application will be stored here. Say for example, you would like to add Minecraft from your Xbox app into your Steam. You simply type it in, or it will automatically be showed here all the installed apps that you have. Click that and then choose on export selected apps to Steam. And once you hit this blue link right here, your Steam will automatically launch by itself. And that's it. It's how you add Xbox app games to Steam.